In the downloads channel here on the left hand side, I've uploaded 4 zip files, and these are the types plugin that lets you create custom post types. So for example, it sets up special product post types so you can create product pages easily. And we have the views plugin that lets you style these custom post types automatically, so as soon as you hit publish for your new product, it's all styled and laid out correctly. And then we have 2 more files. We have this custom post styling, which is a styling template that shows you how to style your custom post types. And then we have this custom posts zip file, which is a template for creating the custom post types that we want on our site. So here, this template creates a product custom post type and also an article custom post type for our website. So this template here creates the custom post types we want. This template here styles it, and we need these 2 plugins in order to do this. So we just need to go ahead and download all of these zip files. So just click on them to download. So click on all 4 of them. And then I have a blank website here. So this is a new website that I haven't started setting up yet. But if I go to plugins, I have 1 plugin in there already, but I'm going to add these types and views plugins that we've just downloaded. Just click on add new at the top, then go upload a plugin. Then we can browse to where these plugins have just downloaded to, which is my downloads folder. Click on my downloads folder, and here they are here. So I'll select the types first, just go open, we'll install it. Okay, so it's installed, so may as well activate it. Right, and you see we now have this types tab down here. We'll go ahead and add the views. So just again, add new, then upload plugin, and then browse through to the views plugin and open that, and then click on the install button. Right, so that's installed, so we need to activate it. And now it's activated. We've got this views tabs, we've got the types and views, and there's a whole host of things you can do with these plugins, and you can feel free to visit the toolset website where these plugins are part of and learn how to do all sorts of cool things. You can create sliders, gallery sliders for your website. You can create lists of posts that you display on your website and all sorts of things. But all we need to use it for now is to create custom post types, a product, special product custom post type, and also a special article custom post type. So to do that, what you can do is just upload a template that I have created for you, and that automatically generates these custom post types, and it styles them how I've shown you how I style them on my barbecues website. So again, you can go in and modify these if you wish, but if you just want to upload this template, we'll do this now and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so now we have the plugins. We'll go to this types plugin, just click on types, and then we'll go ahead and import our custom post types template file that we downloaded through Slack. So we just click on import export from this list. Then we want to import, so we need to click choose file and browse through to the files we just downloaded. So first of all, we want this custom posts zip. Let's open this and import, and then it's just showing us what it's going to import. So it's going to create a custom post called barbecues and one called articles. Of course, you don't want one called barbecues because that's specific to the website that I created. This is exactly the same as I created. So what we'll do is we'll modify this name after we've imported it. So don't worry about this. It's just what it's importing. So we'll just go ahead and import. There we go. It's added all of these fields. And you'll see now on the left we have barbecues and articles. So articles is fine because yours would call this, but barbecues isn't right. We need to change this name. So to do that, we just go down to our post types here on the left. So we click here, and you see we have all of our post types. So posts and pages are already in there because WordPress automatically creates these, and so is media. But we have our new ones. We have our barbecues and articles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on edit under barbecues when I hover over it, and I'm going to change its name. So you can change it to whatever you want. So now for here, I'm just going to change it to products. So we enter a plural name in here, and then we enter a singular name, so product. Then we have a slug, which is the part that appears in this URL. So I'm just going to type in product. And then we just need to leave everything else as it is. That's all fine. So we just save. So it should update this. So you'll see now on the left it's called products, which is great. We also have something called custom fields. So if I open up my product and I say add new, we have all of these fields already, such as price, description, user reviews, if there is any, image, and then the Amazon affiliate link. And these are all called custom fields. And we have one called barbecues custom fields that we set up. Again, this is specific for the website that I created, and we could change this name now, but these fields will stay the same. So again, this is in the types plugin. So we hover over types, we go down to post fields this time. You see we have some article custom fields and some barbecue custom fields. And I'll go ahead and change this name again because you won't want barbecues. Yours will be specific to your product, but it doesn't really matter. But I'll change this here just to the word product custom fields. And I'll just save this. So we've got two save buttons, but I'll use this one. So now if I click on products, add new, you'll see we have product custom fields. But again, that doesn't matter. That's just the title, that's just the name of this area. But just to make it clearer for you, we may as well use a standard name. So there you go. We now have our custom post types, products and articles. If you want to add a new product to your site, just click on products, add new, and just fill out these areas, and then we're ready to go. So I've put a note here that if you're going to upload an image for your product, it's best if it's 350 pixels wide, so it fits in nicely on the page. So you give it a title, so this will be the title of your product, whatever you want the title to be. And you put in a rough price, so just the, recommended retail price or the kind of price the product is selling for. Then you put in your description of the product, and if you've got any user reviews, good user reviews, you can put in a couple here. You should put quotes around them just so they stand out, and then upload your image and then get your tracked affiliate link. But of course you won't have this if you're early on through the modules, and you can get your special tracked affiliate links later when we go through that. So just put in a link now that goes to the product page for your article, and you can come and change this later. Right, but for now, if you do create a new one, it won't be styled right. So to get it styled right, we need to set up a custom view or a custom content template for this. And again, we can import one that we have just downloaded from Slack. So now we go views, we go import, and this is importing the styling for our custom posts. And then we just go down here, import options, and we can ignore all of these because this is about overwriting old custom. This is about overwriting other styling that we don't actually have on our site yet. So we just choose a file that we downloaded, and it says custom post styling. Open this and import it. It's just telling us that two content templates have been found. So if I click on content templates now on the left hand side under views, see we have the articles content template, and we also have the barbecues content template. And we'll change this name again now, so it says products, and you'll see it says no post types or taxonomies assigned. So we'll go and change that as well. So I'll just click edit here. We'll change this name to products. And then also in this slug, I'm going to change it to products. But again, you can change this to whatever you want. It could be the name of your particular product, or you can just leave it as a general products. And this is a template that actually styles it all, and I created this for the barbecues website, and this means that yours will be laid out exactly the same. But there's something I want to show you in here that you will want to change, because I have some text here that says read more about this barbecue and see more reviews on Amazon. So you don't want that because yours isn't a barbecue. So you can change these words to whatever you want. So I'm showing you this, so if you do want to modify it a little bit, you can do. But for now, I'll just change the word barbecue for product, but you can use your exact product name if you want. So read more about this product, I'm going to put here. And then again, down here, I have people that own this barbecue say, this is the reviews area. So I'm going to change this barbecue to product again. But again, you can use whatever words you want. And then usage down here, when are we going to use this? I want to use this on products pages. And then I'm just going to click on save all sections at once. So this is now all set up. So if I go on content templates now, you'll see we have products content template, and then it's assigned to use on product pages. So if I go products, add new products, you'll see now up here it's telling me that it's going to use a product content template, which is exactly what we want. Let's just have a look at the articles just to make sure this is all correct for you. So these are just general headings, so introduction, first heading, product description. So this isn't specific to barbecues like the other thing was, so this is fine. And if we go down to the views and content templates, I can just check that the phrases and terms are more general and not related to barbecues exactly. Which it isn't. So the text that actually I've input manually is learn more and read reviews here, so it's not specific to the product. And again here, no. So this is all fine. So there you go. So now when you create new articles, new products, it should be laid out and look exactly how mine were on the barbecue website. And if they're not, just get into the Slack community, into the Earn 1000 community, and let me know and we'll sort it out.